everyone, it's Melissa, and welcome back to my channel. Are you ready to reveal the newest Softlex company design kit, Gone Batty? This is their Halloween kit, and we will be doing an unboxing. I love how they package these every month. It's a little gift to yourself, or they're perfect to give as gifts. And there's so many wonderful items that are included in the kit. Full card of everything that is included. We do have a lot of exclusive items, so it's really great to get these kits, and some of them are super popular. One of them sold out in about 2 weeks. So if there's one that you really like, I highly recommend that you get it as soon as you can when they release on the last Wednesday of the month. A ceramic bat and then some check glass. So let's go ahead and see what's inside this kit. And before we do the unboxing, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow. And I will leave a link down below in the description for the playlist for all tutorials I create with this kit. Let's unbox Gone Batty. So we have our kit, very Halloween. Love it. So we have some exclusive items. We have some bat charms, bat and moon charms, check glass, triangles, and then the Jesse James beadlets. So when I opened it, there's a pendant here, it looks like, and this is going to be super fun. So let's see what's inside. How fun. So we have our medium soft flex wire. And this is available on the website. I will go ahead and show you what's currently available. And then, of course, our 2x2s, and then the lobster claw and earring findings. And then the last Wednesday of the month, they will have the Jesse James bead mix, Gone Batty. And then there's a ceramic bat, and that will be on September 25th. You have your 10 millimeter brown ceramic beads, and they have these in a couple different colors. So I'll leave a link for all the colors from Softlex Company. And these are really fun. They're large hole beads, so they will fit over leather, silver silk. You can put some seed beads around there. Very fun. And then we'll go over our exclusive items. So they're going to be in this bag here. I see the little charms. How cute. Very fun. Um, and then, oh, we get chain. That's cool. So we have these here, and these are your check glass white and gray triangles. And I believe it was Cassandra Spicer from Beads to Live By that had these on the website. And I think you can make little Christmas trees with them. So that's kind of next season coming out. So that might be fun to create with. And then we have some check glass, and these are faceted beads, jet black. And let's see everything inside. We have our 2x2s, and you get 20 of those. And then we have 24 inches of chain. So I don't remember Softlex Company including chain in the design kit. I know with their California Dreaming kit, they put head pins. It's really nice. You can make a whole set of jewelry. Oh, pretty. So we have our items here in our little specialty bag. Oh, how fun are these? I don't know why I think of Adam's Family and Morticia with these. And then there's a little spot here where you can put a crystal or maybe a bead. So these are exclusive, and they are a 45 millimeter silver plated filigree component. I'm excited to see what everyone creates with those. And then we have our little bat and moon charms, and they are the 25 millimeter sweet and petite. Those are great for earrings. Oh, these are pretty. These are check glass, smoky black and gray rondels. They're almost like a rainbow obsidian. They had some, I believe it was the Just Peachy kit, and they had some that looked like Amazonite. So I was like, how cool are these? Check glass is amazing. Oh, how cute. And we have our little bat charm. And this one will be available September 25th. And then we have our findings. We still have our Gone Batty exclusive Jesse James bead mix to open. So let me just clear off my bead mat and we'll look inside the mix. There's a lot of beads in here. These moons stood out to me right away. How fun is that gonna be for earrings or if you have some moonstone, that would be really neat. Oh, look at these big beads. Oh, pretty. They have some of these in other mixes, but these ones are really big. These are probably a 16 millimeter. So just like that, you can have instant earrings. How pretty. And then some glass. Oh, the gray is beautiful. Just the sparkle. This is the design and maybe with some soft flex craft wire, do like a little herringbone and maybe add a moonstone on top. I think that might be a pair of earrings. And then we get one of our little bat charms. How cute is that? It's like a little cosmic bat, where you have the moon and then the stars. This is really cute. And then some check glass, and a lot of sparkly beads, a lot of spacers. That's pretty. The beads where they're kind of two-tone, where you have that metallic color, and then you turn it another way and you get another color. And little swirl beads, lots of sparkle. These are really interesting, these beads, and they're like an opal, so they're gonna glow when the light hits them. How fun. And then little sparkly beads. We can never have enough sparkle. So this is a really fun mix. So if this kit did sell out, and the bead mix is still available, everything on this bead mat is from that bead mix. So super fun. I highly recommend this kit as well as the bead mix. It's just so fun for Halloween. You can mix like some amethyst in there to get some purple and just have all the fun jewelry for spooky season. So that is the Gone Batty kit from Softlex Company. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow. Have an awesome day.